Hey there, fellow food lovers. Today I'm diving into some hidden Italian culinary gems that you've probably never tried. Trust me, you're going to want to add these to your recipe book. Let's kick things off with appetizers and sides. Ever heard of bagna coda? This garlic anchovy dip served with bread or veggies is a flavor explosion. And for something crunchy, try authentic taralli from Puglia. These breadsticks pair perfectly with cheese or soups. Or how about patate presemolet? An Italian parsley potato salad that's both fresh and satisfying. Now onto the main courses. Uova in purgatorio is a must-try. Imagine eggs poached in a rich tomato sauce with garlic and capers. Absolutely delicious. If you're a pork fan, Modenese pork chops with garlic, rosemary and white wine are a game changer. For chicken lovers, Italian chicken cacciatore with tomatoes, herbs and olives is a hearty dish that's full of flavor. Oh, and you can't miss Roman-style gnocchi-baked semolina dumplings that are simply divine. Feeling adventurous? Give ribollita, a twice-cooked Tuscan bread and vegetable soup, a shot. Or try braccioli, flank steak rolls filled with garlic, parsley and parmesan. And for seafood enthusiasts, tioppino, an Italian-American fish stew, is an absolute treat. Don't forget about scacchi ragusan, a Sicilian flatbread with pizza-like flavors, and swordfish alla siciliana for a taste of the sea. To wrap things up, let's talk desserts. Cannoli rangoons offer a twist on the classic cannoli, while zeppole, sweet Italian ricotta donuts, are perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth. Or bake up a torta di mele, an Italian apple cake, for a delightful finish. So there you have it. Hidden Italian culinary gems that are sure to impress. Give these a try and let me know which one's your favorite in the comments. Happy cooking, everyone!